the killings of Yayan Ali ibn Abi Talib in Lahore and in Quetta. When they were doing worship, ibadah, they were commemorating the martyrdom day of Imam Ali alayhi salam, the son-in-law of Prophet and cousin of Prophet and true successor of Muhammadur Rasulullah. And the general of army of Islam who have conquered 84 battles along with Prophet, who was Imam by the order of Allah, who was successor of Prophet by the announcement of Prophet, who was the Caliph of Prophet according to ayat of Quran, who was bravest person of the time, Imam Ali alayhi salam, most sincere worshipper of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who was born in Al-Kaaba and was martyred in Masjid Al-Kufa. As he said in battlefield of Uhud, before revealing of Quran, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Inna lillah means I was born in Al-Kaaba. Wa inna ilayhi raji'un means I will get martyred in the Masjid. They have killed the worst terrorist of the time. They have killed Imam Ali alayhi salam in sajda while he was offering the prayer. And they are killing today the followers of those worst terrorists, are killing the followers of Imam Ali while they are fasting, while they are offering their prayers, while they are commemorating the day of their Imam Ali alayhi salam. Today we are here to announce that we, the Shias of Ali, we are loyal of Allah, loyal of Prophet, loyal of Imam Ali, loyal of Islam, loyal of Quran. If in Florida, so-called church and chaplain and priest announced to burn the Holy Quran, we Shias protest, because we have protested even in first century when there was a stupid person who did burn the Holy Quran. He was the enemy of Imam Ali alayhi salam. Because we are the heir of our Imams. We are the promoters of our Imams. We are the protectors of Islam. We are the protector of the boundaries of Sharia. We are here today to tell the media, to tell the mass media, to tell the ethnic media, to tell the local media that we Shias of Amirul Mu'mineen, within 14 centuries, we were against every kind of terrorism. We were against any kind of suiciding. We were against any kind of killing of innocent people. And we want to let the US government know that we are the proof of homeland security without any money or salary. Because our Imams told us, where you live, you are part of that country. You are supposed to protect the land of that country. We are here to protest before the Consulate General of Pakistan, and it is my demand, it is not my request, it is my demand from the Consulate General of Pakistan to convince the government of Pakistan that government of Pakistan God failed to protect the nice and peaceful citizens of Pakistan, regardless. Why we are here? We want to tell the government of Pakistan we are more safe in this country than the country where we were born. Our activities are more safe. Our activities are protected in this country. Our individuals are protected in this country because this is the country of law. This is the country of regulation. We need law, rules and order in country which was established by the name of Islam. Why the mosques in Pakistan are not protected? Why the followers of Imam Ali are being killed? Why the Quds rally is being targeted? Why they killed 56 Muslims in Quetta who were only saying that Israel should stop its terrorism against the innocent people of Palestine. We, the Shias of Amirul Mu'mineen, are following the saying of Ali, which he delivered to his sons Hassan and Hussein salamullahi alayhima. Kuna lizzalimi khasman walil mazlumi awna. O my son and O my follower, always be in the favor of oppressed one and be against the oppressor. This is the slogan, this is the flag which we have been holding for 14 centuries. We want to condemn the covert activities of Sipah-e-Sahaba in Pakistan, Lashkar-e-Jhangvi in Pakistan. We want to strongly condemn the activities of Taliban in Pakistan, Afghanistan and everywhere. We want to condemn the activities of Al-Qaeda. We want to let the government of United States know that every Muslim, every true Muslim is against Osama bin Laden, against Mullah Omar, against their teachers, against their followers. We are the peaceful Muslims and we are the followers of Quran and Muhammad. Quran and Prophet Muhammad never ordered terrorism, never ordered hatred. We love human beings regardless the sect and religion. We love every human being. We love every oppressed one. That is why we are here to tell the media, to tell the United Nations, to tell all these superpowers that we got failed in Pakistan, to convince our government to protect us. Even the Sunni brothers' mosques and tombs and graves are not protected. Shia cemeteries are not protected. Taliban and Al-Qaeda have been killing us while we were praying or we were offering the burial prayer. They have been killing in the cemeteries and graveyards. We want to seek the help from United Nations, from USA, from all over the world. World, please help us. We are the most oppressed community in Pakistan. We lost more than 6,000 Shias within 20 years. We are being killed since the establishment of Pakistan. We are the founders of Pakistan. The first founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, was Shia of Ali ibn Abi Talib. The first sponsor of state of Pakistan, Raja Mahmudabad, was the Shia of Ali ibn Abi Talib. The wealth of Shias went to establish the country of Pakistan. Is this Hal Jazaa'ul Ihsan illa al-Ihsan? Why we are being killed? Because we built the Pakistan. Today, the son of Mufti Mahmood is safe in the country where Mufti Mahmood has delivered the fatwa against Qaid-e-Azam, and he titled him Kafir-e-Azam. And the nation of Qaid-e-Azam is not safe in the country which was built by Qaid-e-Azam rahmatullahi alayhi. This is my humble request from all media. Please convey this message. We are here to seek our right. We are not here aggressively. We are here appealingly. May Allah give you capability, my brothers and sisters in Iman. Do not keep quiet. They have killed 56 brave people. Jum'ah prayer, brave people in Quetta. They have killed 40 people in Lahore. They have been killing in Karachi. They have been killing in Parachanar. They have been killing in Dera Ismail Khan. They have been killing in Gilgit and Baltistan. And now I want to divert the attention of the world toward the sponsor of terrorism, which is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is sponsoring the terrorism everywhere in the world, and they have put a wall and they have covered the graves of Jannatul Baqi. Inshallah, 2 Juma later, we are going to gather on 16th of September. We are gathering in Washington to show our strength and show our sympathy toward our Imam. By these words, I would like to finish my first sermon. In second sermon, I will speak a little more. I urge all of you, please keep struggling and keep up your efforts until we get the goal and we get inshallah our rahim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا.